That was a red light. Oh my god. You make me spit again, it's going on your face. Oh, that didn't sound very good. I just want to drink my apple too.
I'm sorry. I bet Nathan could be watching all this, but he's too busy watching Doctor Who. Looks like you're chugging beer. Chug, chug, chug,
I will lap it like a kitten.
Fresh.
I'm a kitten.
You're both way too funny.